We're trying to, in middle school, start to foster more and more independence for the students. They need to start learning how to think critically on their own. They need to start learning how to problem solve on their own. In my classroom, we use a lot of technology. However, we do balance it quite a bit with pencil to paper because I think those skills are really important as well.
I think that it helps me as a teacher really engage every learner. All learners learn in different manners, and so I have the audio, the visual, the kinesthetic learners, and it really helps us embrace all of those learning styles in one.
My 7th grader loves film and loves making movies, and he has used that iPad to figure out how to do stop motion animation, how to add soundtracks to videos he's filmed, to create games, really using coding that he's learning through school. And it's really provided him a springboard into his passion. So it's been really cool to see.
It's important that we are helping mold students into becoming model citizens, and digital literacy, digital citizenship is just as important. And so the way that we really embed it into our daily practice, teach them the etiquette of using the devices in a proper and respectful manner is all something that continues to help them learn and understand what that looks like moving forward. Collaboration through tech for our students today is a useful tool in it allows them to share their voice, share their creativity, share their learning and understanding in a real-time way.
So we're doing a map of Europe in 1950, and we're using the iPad to figure out which countries were NATO and which countries were part of the Warsaw Pact, and we're using it to label our countries in our capitals.
I just finished printing a 3D Bridget star. I really like learning it because it's pretty easy to learn. Sometimes it can be complicated, but that's just technology. I am really proud about this final project. I like how it's like a fidget for me, and again, it keeps me focused during school.
The goal is independence. The goal is responsibility for themselves, and I think if students can get to a point where they can use their iPad or whatever technology independently as needed for them and know when that is versus when they should be doing things otherwise, that skill alone for the workplace I think is crucial.
I don't know many careers that don't utilize technology in some capacity, so I think learning with technology is incredibly important.
I think it's something that we as educators have to continue to model on a daily basis. I hope it helps them to think critically about the world around them, allows them to research and expand their knowledge and learning, and that they're able to make advances that we need to see in society to help us all be more successful.